Good morning, students. In last lecture, we do the three numericals. Now in this lecture, we have to do the fourth numerical. Yes, see there. A man standing in the front of vertical cliff. This is the one cliff, like a mountain is there. One person fire a bullet with using the gun. Fires a gun. He hear an echo after 3 seconds. It means hear an echo after 3 seconds. It means, yes, first of all, take the distance between, yes, let distance between, let distance between gun and cliff T. Total distance cover to come back, hear an echo, hear sound, go this side and come back. So 2D. Total distance. So here an echo is a 2D. Yes. A man standing in the front of vertical cliff. He fire a gun. He hear an echo after 3 seconds. So total time is there to cover 2D. 3 seconds, students. Yes. 3 seconds. Then he move. Yes. First of all, put this. Yes. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Then speed is what? Let S1. Speed is the let S1 in case first case. This was the first case. In first case, speed is S1. Yes. Speed of bullet. Take S1. Let. Yes, S1 is equal to D upon T. S1. Here distance is a 2D. Time is a 3 seconds. This was the first equation. Let. You put the here. Use here. Yes. Right here. This was the first equation. Now see the second thing. Yes, second one. Yes, second one. Second case. Here cliff. Now we see the second case. Then he moves closer to the cliff by 82.5 meter. Then fire the gun again. He go this distance near to the cliff. Here total distance is the D only. So he go near here. Now gun is here. This point gun. So it means this distance is a D minus 82.5 meter. This is the total distance. And when person move toward the cliff, this is that distance, and this distance, and now the distance between cliff and gun and person is there, that is a D minus 82.5 meter. Yes. Now let the speed gun is at S2, then distance is a 2D only again. No, not a 2D. Here you see distance is a this. So sound go like this and again come back. So it was a 2D minus 82.5 meter. Like this. And time taken to here is there equal, that is a 2.5 second. Yes. Anytime the person fires the bullet, the speed always is same. S1 is equals to S4. This is the second equation. From equation, yes, note there student. From equation 1 and 2. S1 is equals to S2 students. Yes, here put there. Yes, students. You put there. S1 is equals to S2. Then S1 is a 2D upon 3 second. And S2 is a 2D minus 82.5 meter upon 2.5 second. Second cut. And 2 cut here. Which thing like D upon 3, D 82.5 meter upon 2.5. Now you try to solve. Yes, cross multiply. In cross multiply you do what? Yes, see there student. in cross multiply 2.5d and here 3d down to up, down to up. Very easy, student. Yes, multiply 3d with 82.5 into 3. Now you multiply 82.5 with 3. 15, 6 to the 3 to the 6, 7, 8 3 is a 24, student. 8 3 is a 24. The point here always here come only. Yes, 2.5d, 3d, 247.5. Yes, again check. Here 2d, 2 cut, second cut, 3 here 2.5, then cross multiply, then 2.5 come here, 3 come here, 3 multiply with this, then multiply. Very easy. So answer now, solve again. Next. Yes, 25d equal to 3d minus 247.5. Yes, take this side and this one this side. Here it is a positive, here negative, here a negative, it is a positive here this side. Yes, student. Now 247.5, it should come 0.5d. Then it should come down, student, 0.5d because here multiply come here divide. Then point cut. Point cut, students. Yes, see. 2475 divided by 5. Yes, divide there. 5 4s are 24 or 20. 5 4s are 20. Then 4. 9 5s are 45. 2 5. So answer should come, that is a 495 meters, students. This is the first part. You have to find out distance of the cliff from the initial point of the man. The distance between man and D, you have to find out D come in 295. Very easy. Yes, second you find the velocity of the sound. You take any S1, one equation here 2. Yes, take S1. S1 is a 2d upon 3 second. Here put distance 295. Then 3. Divide there. 1, 6, 5. So that was come near about 330 meter, which is the speed of the sound in air is only, student. Very easy numerical, student. Very easy. In the first numerical, firstly the total distance we take 2d, but when person move near to the 82.5, then you take the distance d minus 82.5. both of the speed same, then equal, then solve the distance, and secondly you find the speed. If you find the S2, the same answer will come, same 330. It proves that be S1 equal to S2. In same you put, for example, see, if you put second equation, so S here D you put. Yes, solve there, same answer will come. Very easy, student. Now the last numerical, student. See there, last numerical. This was the fourth numerical, student. Last numerical now, you see, fifth one. Yes, fifth one numerical. Yes, see there. Speed of sound in steel. In steel is there. Yes, speed of sound in steel. That is given 5200 meter per second. Yes, second at 20 degrees centigrade. How far can sound travel in 5 seconds through speed? So time given is a 5 second. So very simple numerical, student, is one. This is only simple. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So you have to find out what, how much distance cover. How far? Far mean always distance. Keep in mind. Second given, it means time. If meter per second, it means speed given. You have to find out the distance. Your speed you put here meter per second, and distance here you have to find out time 5 seconds you put. Cut a second with a second, then you do cross multiply. Yes, multiply with 5. Yes, student. 0, 0, 5 to the 10. Yes, very easy, student. So distance between, yes, distance covered by the, travel by the sound in 5 seconds with the speed this, that is the answer. So thank you, students. Yes.